Hola amigos, welcome back. I can't believe it. It's been about a month since I uploaded the last video with this guy. And in that month, we jumped from 4K, which was the big giveaway that I had, to 5K. So a lot of new subscribers. So welcome. Thank you so much for subbing. I'm Fett. I go by Fett. And this is my channel. I do a lot of costume stuff. I do a lot of tutorials, demos, that kind of thing. We had a big giveaway for 4K, and this is the winner, and he's super happy with the mask. So I'm very happy. He made it all the way over to the Philippines safely, and now he's enjoying that. Today we're gonna be doing a demo for how to mount a muscle kit. If you get this as a kit from me, how to get it from basically the pieces that you would get and the shirt, how to go from that, how to mount it if you don't have a mannequin. I've done different videos where I show you guys how to do it if you have access to a mannequin. Today, it's gonna be a little different because I'm gonna have my boy Luke Luso come over and we're gonna mount it right on his body. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. All right, so welcome and let's do it. All right, so we got Luke over here dancing. He's ready to get saran wrapped. And why don't I just actually explain that that's gonna be step one, is we're gonna be using some cling paper is what it's called, cling wrap on some, if you go to the dollar store like I did, but yeah, saran wrap. So we're gonna put saran wrap all over his body. Top body. I'm gonna time lapse this. He's actually live over here on Instagram, so by the time you catch this video, that already happened. But if you were live, then you got to see it live. So let's do a little time lapse. So that's step one. I'm gonna show you guys step two when we get to it. All right, so we got our boy all wrapped up in saran, and now we put the first shirt on top. This is the shirt that has the zipper. So this shirt comes included, and then there's an extra shirt that goes on top that you have to stitch. What we're gonna do is glue the muscles on. First, we're gonna be using this spray right here, which is an upholstery contact cement. And you guys can find this at your local AutoZone or Auto Shop. This is actually cheaper than other 3M brands, so I like using this stuff because it's just as strong. And then for the edges, the trusty old Weldwood contact cement. So time-lapse time. Okay, so what you want to do here is, obviously you want to have your model wear a mask. You apply the contact cement on both the shirt and the muscle piece. So the two pieces that are going to go together, each piece has to have contact cement, and you have to wait about 5 to 7 minutes before pushing together. Kind of turn around. So the back has the first shirt. It's gonna have your zipper, and then what you're gonna be doing is you're going to be going with the machine just along the zipper for the second shirt, and then you can actually use the machine or hand stitch all around the muscles like so.
Worst case scenario, I could wear it like this, it'd be fine.
Yeah, I mean, it's like really up to you. Like, this isn't something that makes a whole lot of a difference other than
I wish I brought a second compression
securing.
shirt to show them.
Show just kind of like the outline of the muscles, which is it's actually pretty big on you, but if it was like, you know, tight, you can see kind of like a little bit of obliques over here.
Worst case scenario, a girl comes up to you and she's like this, and then you go, yeah, what's up? They're real.
It's me, the M, the A, C, the K. Sounding like a French pimp from back in the day. I take her to Ponderay and I watch her skate. I mean water ski, ollie, oxen free. I'm perusing down forth and they watching me. I do a headstand and eagle lands on my seat. Well, hello.
All right, guys, so we're done with the shirt. We put the extra layer on so that we could see how it fit on Luke. And the next step would be to kind of go in with the machine and just stitch all around the muscles using the machine, or you can kind of live as is as well. Up to you, but it is good to have this extra mesh layer just to kind of protect the muscles and also reduce the friction from your costume on top. So this one's ready to go. I think Luke's gonna be wearing it with Aquaman, so I can't wait to see how that looks all together. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Bye.